Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. So today I will be discussing about the direction of Bank Nifty, where it is headed, as well as weekly options, why it is dangerous and why you should be careful while trading weekly options in Bank Nifty. So first, the traditional disclaimer. So whatever information you are getting through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose, and any profit or loss that you incur is entirely your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So Bank Nifty, I was bullish on Bank Nifty from last few weeks, and I had been constantly giving long calls on Bank Nifty, and the day it made this big movement in my WhatsApp group, there are a lot of people who made few lakhs as well, and that's good to know. But then now it's the time that you need to be very careful that you don't want to give your profits back to the market. So that night, after making some good profits, I also made a video on Bank Nifty, and I told the ranges where the Bank Nifty can, for some small interval, can take respite and try and may look stagnant. So these are the three horizontal support lines that I drew on in that video, and I also told that it is possible now that Bank Nifty will do a ping pong inside this inside these horizontal lines, and this is what Bank Nifty is currently doing, and this is the area where you need to be careful, because let's say that you are bullish on Bank Nifty and you bought CE, and then since the price still remains at the same level, you will be hit by time decay. So let's say you after booking profit, so this happened on Wednesday, then the Thursday price level was at the same level, and then it went down and it took support at this lowermost horizontal line, and then again yesterday, that is on Monday, it made a good up move. So the price action remains within this range. So if you had bought CE of Bank Nifty, let's say 25,000 or 25,100 or 200, and on Thursday price remained the same, and on Friday it went down, so you would be hit by time decay a lot. What happens is, I have seen that at some time per day time decay hit is around 100 rupees. So 100 rupees time decay is too much. So currently what I see is Bank Nifty are overpriced when at the very start of the week. So let's say on the Thursday, where people with a lot of traders who try to do a rollover or say get into the next week option. So if you see here also, the price movement was here for some days, and this becomes really difficult for the trader. So it's very important that you don't trade Bank Nifty heavily. We will get chance to again re-enter, and first we have to see the this range breakout has to happen in Bank Nifty, otherwise weekly option will hit you very bad. uh, we should definitely try to get into at the right time, but predicting right time is very difficult. We have to take some risk if we want good profits, I understand that, but we have to manage that risk in a good way, otherwise we will lose our profits. So it's important that you don't now give a good big exposure to Bank Nifty. We have to trade it very slowly, because the price seems to be currently doing a ping pong there at that in those ranges. So we have to monitor the price action very carefully, and I will tell you that when you should enter. Currently, if you are already holding CE, that's fine. But then I heard that I somebody pinged me and saying that they are holding PE because it has moved a good rally. This is not the right way to trade, because if you are buying PE also, and one day it came down, the next day it moved up, and since we are not in bear market, we should not buy P at all. We should not short it. We have to see when the range breakout can happen. We have to see different time frames to confirm that what can happen, and then we should enter it. So that's it for now. Whenever you are trading weekly options, be very careful because time decay is really, it hurts really bad. 100 rupees per day is too much. So the lot size is 40 and 100 rupees means 4,000 per day. So be very careful while trading weekly options. We have to time it correctly, otherwise we will lose money and then you will get frustrated at one point of time. So that's it for now. I just wanted to make you cautious about it because there are a lot of things has come when you are trading weekly options. So that's it for now. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description.